city. We must hold the line.
Our magic will protect us.
We can't let him take the prince.
Let's move.
Whoa, this place is wild. Wonder what's next.
Gotcha, Bao. No falling on my watch.
Thanks, Pen. We make a great team. To find the beast, you must first see the path that lies beyond the trees. What is that? The monster! It's not just rampaging, it's hurting! We've made it this far! We can do this!
Yeah, and I'm ready to rock this thing. We're not here to hurt you. We want to help.
I hope you're not planning to squish us.
Stay close. We need to calm it down.
You've got it, Bayo, but let's not get squashed.
Pen, keep moving!
That was too close!
Pen, hang on.
I've got it! Nice save, Bao! That should teach you to mess with us. We need to stay focused. Find a way to stop it without hurting it. Easier said than done.
Gotcha.
Thanks, Pen. Go left. Now, dodge right. Redirect. Focus the energy here. Got it. We hold together, Pen. This is our moment. Right behind you, buddy. Hold on, Pen. We need to stabilize this place. No problem. We've got this. Pen, jump now. The floor is cracking.
You got it. Just keep up.
I won't let you harm anyone. Hang on, Bao. I've got this.
It's hurting. It's not attacking us. It's trapped.
We're here to help you, not hurt you. I know you're in pain, but you don't have to hurt anyone.
We're here to help you. We won't hurt you.
Yeah, no harm here, just good vibes. We did it! It's finally free! Yeah, teamwork for the win!
It's finally at peace.
Yeah, we did it. Now the world can heal. Look at it. It's healing. Everything's going back to the way it should be.
Yeah, we made it happen! It's really happening, Pen! The world's healing! And we did it together! We did it, Pen! The world is safe again! Yeah, and it looks pretty awesome, too. We make a great team. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, it's like the world's got its groove back. We did good, huh? The world is healing. It's better than it was before. Yeah, and we're just getting started. We've done good, Pen. The world is healing, and we've helped make it better. Yeah, we did, and we'll keep it that way. No matter where the road takes us, we'll always face it together. Yeah, with a little bit of fun and a lot of adventure.